Importance of community health. The people of our country are most important factor, as I told you. So their health can be protected if you have clean environment, nutrition, food, safe drinking water, good medical facilities. These are the basic rights of any citizen. Okay, so it is government's duty and also our duty. Okay, if the government is providing us anything, it is our duty to maintain it, to maintain cleanliness around us, not to throw garbage here and there, not to spit on the road, right? So if there are not damaging the properties around us, properties in the sense public properties. Okay, so because it's for our uses, so you have to maintain it, you have to maintain cleanliness. So the aim of this ban is to prevent the spread of the diseases. Okay, if you spit on the road, you are indirectly spreading diseases, viruses, bacteria, everything. Okay, if you want to spit, you go and spit on the dustbin. Okay, but don't spit it on the road. See, this I want you to do. What are the threats to the health of the community? What all threats we have? There are several threats to the community health, and an important threat is carelessness regarding hygiene. From the action given below, mark those that are harmful with a cross and write the explanation in your notebook. Burning old tires. Okay, so can anybody tell me what all things will harm you all? If you burning old tires, will this harm our environment? Come on children, tell me. Yes, burning a old tire will definitely harm us. No, because it will create pollution, air pollution, and plus it is wrong. Okay, spitting anywhere on the road, सब जगह बोर्ड लगा हुआ है यहाँ थूकना मना है, पर लोग वहीं जाके थूकते हैं. So is it is right to spit on the road, or it is not right, it is incorrect? What, tell me whether it is correct or not. No, it is not. Using public toilet, yes, it is for your uses, so please use public toilets. If you want to go to washroom, go to a public toilet. Don't just do toilet on the road or near any wall, which is wrong. Go to washroom, go to toilet. Looking after domestic animals, yes, we should take care of the pet animals, domestic animals. Okay, following doctor's instruction in cases of infectious disease. Okay, because a doctor is the right person to guide you whether you should what you have to do and what not you have to do. Now see, there is coronavirus, so the doctors are instructing us to use mask, wear mask, use sanitizer, don't touch anybody. If you are having cold and cough, stay at home. Okay, if you are having fever, if you are unwell, isolate yourself. अपने आप को अकेले कर लो, एक रूम में बैठे रहो, किसी को हाथ मत लगाओ, बार बार हाथ धो. So who can instruct you all this? A doctor. Washing your hands before a meal or snacks. खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोना चाहिए या नहीं धोना चाहिए? Yes, we should wash our hands, children. Washing our hand is very important. Throwing the garbage from your house on the road. चलो खिड़की खोलो और कचरा फेंक दो. Right or wrong? It is absolutely wrong. Okay, our community's well-being. Enough, I have told you what we have to do. Eat healthy, hygiene, etc., etc., etc. See, a person requires food, language, transportation, insurance and housing. रोटी कपड़ा मकान चाहिए, सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, जॉब चाहिए. No? So all these things are very important. A healthy neighborhood and a healthy community. Neighborhoods are where we live. जहाँ हम रहते हैं उसे हम नेबरहुड कहते हैं. Communities are how we live together. Okay. So safe, affordable housing होनी चाहिए, access to healthy food होना चाहिए, equitable access to resources, free education, free medical facilities. These are the basic needs of people. Friends and support, ways to get around, value and celebrate diversity. Okay, unity in diversity. Factors that are harmful for community health. Page number 134. Some important factors that are harmful for community health are mentioned below. For example, polluted water, malnutrition, etc. How each of these factors harm community health is given in the first box in front of it. Some suggested remedies are mentioned in the next box, and other ill effects and remedies to the respective boxes. See, cholera. If the person polluted water causes cholera, diarrhea, jaundice, lots and lots of diseases. Okay, so what is important? Safe water supply. Okay, we have to maintain safe water, safety of drinking water, that to check whether there is any leakage or if the treatment plant are not properly maintaining. So the safe water supply is the most important part. Pipeline should be properly, require proper maintenance. देखा होगा ना, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर के बड़े बड़े पाइपलाइंस होते हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दोज पाइपलाइंस आर properly maintained. Okay, higher number of child deaths. Why so many children die? Because of malnutrition. Proper खाना नहीं मिलता है. Okay, so what is required? Nutrition, diet is required. That's why schools have started midday meals. They have started giving food. Okay, that at least children can eat healthy and they become strong. Then pollution, danger to the environment. Pollution is the most dangerous part to our environment, and we are already suffering. Okay, so protecting the environment is very important. Ignorance and superstition, oppression and deception. बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई, अभी हम बीमार पड़ जाएंगे, कुछ तो गलती होने वाला है. बीमार है, डॉक्टर के पास मत जाओ, बाबा के पास जाओ, which is wrong. Okay, what is important, children? Superstitions will always harm you. Okay, believe in God, but don't believe in superstition or people who are misleading you. If you are unwell, please go to a doctor. No Baba can treat you. Okay, unhappy family life. People are not happy. Why they are not happy? Because we are busy in mobile, we are busy in camera, we are busy in TV, everything. We are using more and more electronic gadgets and things. We are not communicating with people like 20 years back when we had good friends, good environment. So unhappy family, they require de-addiction program. Okay, so this all things will improve our environment. Okay.